The Magic Catch was constructed to remove metallic particles from resin pellets to reduce the number of molding defects. This inline solution is compatible with most brands of transfer lines within the molding cell. Installation consists of connecting material hoses on both sides of the Magic Catch and securing the wands into position. The Magic Catch is designed for general purpose and high-performance resins. For demonstration purposes of the Matsui Magic Catch, we've decided to use an acrylic version versus our stainless steel construction, giving a better representation of the metallic contaminants running through the system. Consisting of a rare earth magnet, the Magic Catch bar attracts and collects metallic flakes from bolts, washers, nails, and more. When material passes through the Magic Catch, it draws metallic particles out. The plastic pellets continue to the post-process where they exit free of metal particulates. The cleaning process is quick and easy. The metal debris is simply wiped off the Magic Catch bar using a cloth. The Magic Catch was designed with one theme in mind, and that is to eliminate metallic particulates within the system. You never want metallic particulates in your final plastic part.